Hello viewers, today I'm going to be doing a video about my 1955 alarm clock. I'm not sure what make it is, but it is in really good nick. It has a second hand, if I can get close up to it. It's got a second hand alarm, possible radium paint. It was made 10 years before radium paint clock was really legal. Got the thing for setting the speed of the clock. There you can see the innards of it there working away. That one's for the bit that actually powers the clock. That one's for the alarm. So you have the thing turning the alarm on there. Top one is for setting the alarm. The lower thing is for setting the time. And usually goes back maybe a day or something like that. It's quite a loud ticker as well. Personally, I quite like that in a clock if it's a loud ticker. It's in really good nick actually. It runs really well. Also, a lovely sort of, I'm guessing it's probably Bakelite at the back. Also, very nice, easy to read clock face. And it glows very nicely at night as well. Anyway, that'll be all from me. Goodbye. One thing I will say for this, £25 from a shop in Wallingford. It was called the Lamb Arcade. And it is great value. I mean, it works beautifully. They really should make alarm clocks more like this now, because this really is amazing. It's an amazing alarm clock.